I'm Joseph Falbo, Certified Financial Planner. Today we're going to talk about our value from fragile to anti-fragile, helping you to make confident, smart financial decisions. So, many people ask us when they come in, why should we pay you to help us? I think a lot of financial planners get that question. They're often unsure of the value we bring. So, today I want to share what we do here that we believe brings massive value, in our opinion, a multiple of what you pay us. So let's face it, let's talk human nature for a second. Human nature often works against us as investors. We panic during downturns, market downturns. We chase trends during bull markets, get caught up in that. Or we freeze when there's some sort of uncertainty, right? What I see many times when people come in to see me to discuss their investments is they're either taking too much risk or not enough risk to get to their goals. They base this based on their emotions or something they learned from someone else or their parents or grandparents rather than strategy. And even when we know better, our emotions often steer us off course. So here's something important. While investing is largely about managing emotions, it's a very important part of investing. The planning phase and setting it all up it often requires knowledge. Most people, people don't know what they don't know, right? That's where we come in. We provide the clarity and expertise to bridge that gap so you don't fall victim to emotional mistakes or blind spots in your financial plan. So when you come in, phase one is our process is tying your life to your money. Tying your money and your life together. We spend a good amount of time here because we feel it's that important. We create a comprehensive roadmap that answers the who we investing for, the why are we doing this, why are we sacrificing, why are we investing, the when is this money needed, and how much is needed. So you want date-specific, dollar-specific goals. It's your personalized plan to get you from where you are now, point A, to where you are today, to where you want to be at point B. That's a roadmap. That's a financial roadmap. And obviously, it's not just built for sunshine, sunny days. It's built to weather the storms. On the way from A to B, you're going to hit different storms, different roadblocks, detours, which is market volatility, bear markets, recessions, life's inevitable transitions. By the way, did you know retirees experience an average of 7 to 8 major life transitions in retirement? It's important to know. Most people don't know that. So your plan must adapt as your life evolves. So once we've established your plan, your financial roadmap, we move to phase 2, which is the implementation of the strategies and our guidance. So guidance, let's talk a little bit about guidance and financial vitamin C. Think of our guidance as the financial equivalent of vitamin C. Just like regular vitamin C strengthens your immune system, our financial vitamin C boosts your financial health, right? But here's the thing. Just like your immune system, your financial immune system is constantly under attack, right? Constantly getting hit by the media, the financial media, stress, uncertainty, market fluctuations. They all chip away at your financial vitamin C, your discipline, and your decision making. And just like regular vitamin C, financial vitamin C wanes over time, right? You're left susceptible to negative news. That plays on your emotions. Bad advice from well-meaning friends or family. Emotional pitfalls that can derail the best of the plans. That's why you don't want to just create a plan and leave you to figure it out. We don't do that. We're here to consistently replenish your financial vitamin C, helping you to stay strong, focused, and protected against the inevitable challenges that come with investing and life transitions as well, both of them, right? So my experience has been that most investors start out fragile. They're fragile investors, right? They're easily thrown off course by a bear market, a market downturn, a life change. And the funny thing is they have no idea about this. They think they're good investors. They think they're fine until they're hit with a challenge like some sort of extended bear market, for example. It's funny because it reminds me of, there's a Mike Tyson quote out there. It says, everyone has a plan until they get punched in the mouth. Very similar here, right? So when you have a plan, suited to the long-term goals, your long-term goals, your discipline, and your regular financial vitamin C boosts. When you have all that, when you have your plan, you have discipline, and your regular financial vitamin C boosts going on, we move you from a fragile investor to a resilient investor. So you're able to weather storms, life storms, you're able to weather market storms, economy storms, but that's not our ultimate goal for you. Our ultimate goal for you is to get you from fragile to resilient to anti-fragile, to make you an anti-fragility, anti-fragile investor. Means that you're thriving in adversity. It's when challenges like market crashes or tax changes in law or become, you're seeing these as opportunities, right? Instead of setbacks, we use them to our advantage. We rebalance portfolios. We convert to Roth IRAs. We adjust different strategies. We implement different strategies to come out ahead during these setbacks, or what we look at as opportunities. So let me give you some quick examples of what we did with our anti-fragile investors in action. So in 2020, during the COVID crash, there were many people panicking outside of here and sold. Our clients stayed disciplined. So for a lot of our clients, we went through their plan. Everything made sense for us to rebalance their portfolios, which means adding to things that have gone down and converting some assets maybe where it made sense to rebalance and add to what's going down, and also converting some assets to Roth IRAs. So it means paying some taxes in this situation on a smaller amount and then getting it to tax-free, getting to the Roth IRA during market lows. And with this, what did this do? This helped them to emerge and come out of this stronger in the long run, right? We did the same thing in 2008, 2009. We did the same thing in 2000, 2001, 2002. We had solid plans for our clients, helping them avoid emotional mistakes, getting them strong with a lot of financial vitamin C. So when these events happened, all right, like 2008, 2009, 2000, 2001, 2002, they positioned themselves for long-term success. They were wanting to do it. They saw it as an opportunity. So when I see fragile investors, many people I've seen take a detour. Right. So let's say what I mean by that is, let's say you're point A to point B. Here's your plan. You're here in point A and you're point B. And many people that before I get them, they are fragile investors, and they could take a detour during one of these market downturns. Right. What happens when you do that? Let's say point A to point B would have taken 10 years, but instead of doing that, they took a detour, and now it's going to take 15 years. Or it's going to take 20 years to get there. Or it might even be unattainable anymore. So that's what we're trying to avoid. That's a big thing we're trying to avoid, right? When we get you to resilient, and you're on the A to B on the road, and a storm comes or a detour comes, we help you to stay resilient, to stay on course, keeping it around the 10-year mark, let's say, in that case. But when we get you to anti-fragile, then we're helping you make confident, smart decisions to get from A to B quicker. That's the ultimate goal we want to get you to, okay? So in my experience, generally, most people can't achieve resilience. They can't go from fragile to resilience. That's my experience. That's what I've seen, let alone get from resilience to anti-fragile on their own. So most people can't get from a fragile investor to becoming a resilient investor on their own. They need help. They need guidance. And specifically, I don't think they can get to anti-fragile. I think never mind getting to anti-fragile on their own. So why? It's, in my experience, it's because human nature gets in the way. Constantly bombarded, and human nature eventually gives in to the disease, right? So our ultimate goal here is to help you make smart, confident financial decisions. That's why it's so important to get you to resilience and then anti-fragility as quickly as we can. So resilience ensures that you can withstand life's inevitable challenges like market downturns or unexpected life transitions that you will go through. But we don't stop there. Anti-fragility goes a step further. It means turning those challenges into opportunities to grow stronger, adapt, and accelerate towards those goals, right? Get from A to B quicker. That's why we act as your financial immune system, keeping that financial vitamin C high, keeping you disciplined, educated, and ready to seize opportunities during uncertain times. We've been through every major market cycle over the last almost 30 years, right? From the dot-com bubble to the Great Recession to the COVID crash. We've seen it all. And we know how to turn challenges into opportunities. So I will conclude with anti-fragility isn't just about surviving uncertainty, it's about thriving in uncertainty. And here we guide you through two phases. This is the conclusion. Phase one is the plan, right? Comprehensive plan. Tie your money to your life with a personalized plan. Phase two is implement and guide you to build resilience and ultimately achieve anti-fragility. When you have this framework in place, you're equipped to make smart, confident financial decisions, no matter what life or the markets throw your way. So you don't want to just survive uncertainty. Embrace it. Schedule a consultation today, and let's start building your anti-fragile financial future. I hope this message helps you.